In this video, we're gonna learn how to change password on OnlyFans. If you want to change the password of your OnlyFans account, then first open a web browser and log into OnlyFans.com. Make sure that you're inside the main homepage of OnlyFans. Here, as you can see that I've already logged into OnlyFans.com. Now, simply go ahead and tap on your profile image at the bottom right hand corner from the main homepage. This will then open up an expanded menu. Now click on Settings from the list and under Settings, tap on Account. Scroll down and under Security, tap on Password. On the next page, you'll get to change your password right away. Go to the current password text box and type in the current password that you are using for your OnlyFans account. Once you do that, you can move on to the next step, that is to type in a new password on the next field. If you don't remember your current password, you can get help by clicking on the Forgot Password link and you'll get to change a new password on the next page. If you remember your password, type it in the first text box and then on the next field, type in the new password you'd want to set for your account. After typing in the new password, confirm the new password by typing it again on the next field. Finally, tap the Save button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for OnlyFans account. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password. That is how you can easily change your password for OnlyFans account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.